Oh, that's a big fish. There we go. That's a big fish. There we go.
Alright, hey everybody, this is John with Dead Drift Outdoors. It is midsummer. I'm coming to you from central New York. Today I'm going to be exploring a brand new stream. I haven't fished this stream before. I've wanted to check it out. I've got a pretty good feeling there's some wild trout in there. Actually, I kind of know it because I just fished up about 15 minutes from where I parked and hooked a couple small ones. So pretty sure there's some wild fish in here. Not sure yet on the species. I'm probably just going to do some prospecting. I'm going to probably change up my methods a little bit, see what works best. The conditions look excellent, and yeah, I couldn't be more psyched to get out today. So bring you guys along and we'll see how this stream fishes.
All right, well, as I said in my intro, I fished up about 10 minutes or so from where I parked and hooked a couple small fish so far. I'm going to be fishing my Cabelas Synch 7.5 foot 3 weight, and I just had to change up my rig because I made a mess of it. I went to a number 12 Au Sable Wolf. Love it for this nice kind of pocket water through this stretch here. And I'm dropping about a 2 foot drop down to a number 14 tungsten beadhead gardener's bug with a little bit of flash in there. So got a pretty good feeling about this little current tongue here in that seam based on what I've seen so far. Hopefully we'll get into our first fish up here. Oh, there we go. I was picking up my line and we got the first fish of the day. Little brown. All right. Heck yeah. Oh, that was a fish. There we go. Real small one, but let's see what it is. Another brown. I've been missing quite a few little ones. There we go. Another brownie ate the big old wolf. Getting into a few here. There's a little better fish. That's a nice one. Oh yeah. Nice. There we go. That's a little better. That little pool I was working really looked excellent, and I didn't give up. And then once I got over near that side with the boulder, this guy came out and smacked the dry. Nice wild brown. There we go. I think we got a rainbow. Oh, cool. All right. Another species. He had some legs too. He grabbed that nymph. I just switched it again too. I just switched to a bigger tungsten gardener bug, because I just felt like I wasn't getting down. That guy, he slammed it like on the second cast with that, so very cool. Ooh, that was a decent fish. Just came up and slashed it. There we go. Nice brown on the stimulator. Let's see if we can keep him on. That's a good one. Oh, come on, buddy. All right. I lucked out on that. He came off the stimulator, and I think I just happened to get him with a nymph. I mean, it is in his mouth though, so other possibilities, he took both. Say, there's gotta be a trout up in there, at least one. There we go. It's a good fish. There we are. It was such a nice pocket up there. All right. All right, well, I took a break. It's almost 3 o'clock, so I still got, another couple hours probably to fish. I'm probably not gonna fish till dark or anything. So far, very successful day. I have determined that this is a really good wild trout stream, and I'm working on finding some access points. I did find a spot to park. I talked to the landowner, and they gave me the scoop on some areas I could fish. So I'm pretty psyched about that. I don't have a real long stretch here, but it looks fishy, so I'm a little bit farther upstream. And yeah, I'm gonna keep doing what I was doing, start out with the dropper dry again, and hopefully get into some more wild fish. This is turning out to be a pretty awesome day, so let's do it. I've had a few little guys coming up and trying to eat my stimulator. Finally hooked one. It's a good sign. I know there's still some wild fish up here. Hey, another rainbow. Second rainbow of the day. Right in the riffle there. Hey, brook trout. All right. Now that is cool. It's all three species. That's a slam right there. Heck yeah. All right. Foot long fish came up and smacked my stimulator. I also missed 2 fish in the tail of this pool. I don't think I've landed one yet this afternoon here in this new spot, so let's see if we can get back on the board here. It's a really nice pool. Certainly gonna be a few fish in here. Oh, there was another flash. There we go. That's a big fish. There we go. That might be a big rainbow. That was pretty silvery. Yeah, that's a big ball. All right. Wow, look at that rainbow. Heck yeah. I knew there had to be a decent fish in that pool. Oh, that makes me happy. Another fish. Oh yeah. Another bow. Getting into the bows. All right. I'm getting a good drift now along this edge here. Oh, is that a fish? I felt something, couldn't tell. There we go. Another brown. That was not who I was expecting by that boulder. Kind of cool brown though, big old spots on him for a little guy. There we go. Oh, dang, that was a nice brown. I just fished up through this pool and was figuring it was pretty exposed, and yeah, I didn't have a whole lot of hope, but when I got up to this little pillow in front of this rock, it really looked good, and man, that brown whacked it. That was cool. That would have been a good fish to end on, but hey, guess I gotta keep fishing. Can't see nothing. There it is. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh, that was a big brown. Holy crap. I couldn't see my fly and I had no idea. Oh man, I think I broke him off. Oh, that was a huge fish. That looked like an 18, 20-inch brown. Shoot, that would have been a good fish to end on. Dang it. Oh, that was a big one. What can you do? Man, that's a good drift. There we go. I was gonna say I got a good drift. That's a good fish. Oh, there's another one in there too. I haven't seen him yet. He's got some pull. Oh yeah, that's a good one. It's not that giant, but he's a good one. Does not want to come up. Nice brown. Stay hooked. Oh, I barely got him hooked. All right. I think that one might be the biggest of the day right there. Heck yeah. I'm glad I came up for one more pool. Yeah, I was getting such a good drift along that seam, and it was deep and there's some boulders, so I wasn't surprised it was a fish, but this is a dandy. He fought hard too. Look at that wild brown, gorgeous. All right, guys, well, it's getting pretty late. I'm past my turnaround time. I just couldn't end on missing that huge brown, so I'm really glad I stuck with it and jumped up to the next pool and landed that really nice brown, probably the biggest fish of the day to end the day. But man, what an awesome day it was, exploring this new creek, and I was blown away. Just a great wild trout fishery, rainbows, browns, and even a brook trout. Yeah, this is gonna be one that I'll put away and come back in the future for sure. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up if you did, leave a comment if you'd like. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, tell your friends, and I will see you all next time.